What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to show you another site. The site is called CinchBucks. I want to show you how to make money with CinchBucks. Okay, it's another get paid to site. You're going to be able to do surveys, do offers, watch videos, click on ads. I'm just going to do like kind of a brief tutorial on showing you what you can do on this site. I've been using the site for a little while. You see here, I have 56.2 C-Bucks. That's basically 56 cents. Haven't been using it that long, but I just want to show you guys some things that I would do when I'm on here because, like I said, a lot of these get paid to sites usually have like the same things you can do. So what I like to do is implement one routine into another site. So even though this site is fairly new for me, the routines I have on other sites, I just put it to this one. So when you sign up, this will basically be a home page. You'll see here you have all your surveys. Your surveys, I tell people all the time that the more your surveys that you do, your quality score goes up, and it will give you more surveys, and then you'll be able to qualify for more surveys. One of the biggest problems people have with surveys is like, oh, I don't qualify, and I keep getting halfway through the survey and then kicking me out. When your quality score continues to go up and up, the surveys that you're in, you're pretty much going to finish most of them because your quality score is getting higher. And on top of that, the surveys actually get shorter. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your surveys. Every one that you do and you complete, it actually helps you get easier and better paying surveys. So like I said, this is the home page of your surveys. If I click on Peanut Labs, this is a really good one as well. Surveys here don't usually take that much time. So I'm kind of scroll down to show you here, right there. You see there, 8-minute survey, 83 CinchBucks. You know what I'm saying? Right here, 13 minutes, 60. 35 minutes, basically $2.04. So, I mean, just kind of look at Peanut Labs. I think they do offer this qualification point. So, just be mindful of that. But Peanut Labs is a really good survey provider to go with. If I go over here and click on Offer Wall, I'm going to show you something that I like when it comes to Offer Wall. I'm going to click on Offer Turo. So, Offer Turo, like, you just look at the description, you will find that they have a lot of easy offers to do. For this one in particular, what I like to do is go to Quick, and you just look at things you can do. Click on all of them. Click the red button. This is basically coupons. So you just click the coupons, print them. Same one for this one. You do both of those, you get basically a little bit over 3 cents for doing that. Going down, click and explore the site. So basically, these two, you do both of these at 5 cents. They have more, I'm sure. Right here, click and engage and explore the site for 2 minutes, 2.8. So basically, all you're doing here is just clicking on the sites and letting it sit there for 3 minutes. Right here, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I mean, very, very simple to do. That's why I like to start with quick, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's not a lot of money, but they're quick and easy. Nobody should have any problems or, completing those. So yeah, you just a lot of these are just complete and engage in the site, and you see a lot of them are 2 cents. So you can really rack up and make at least just 50 cents just doing that every single day. And that's a good thing about it is like you can do these all the time. It's not just a one-time thing, just once a day, but you can do it every day that you log on to the site. So, and right there, you can actually watch videos and things like that. So, I mean, that's pretty much what it comes down to when it comes to the offer walls. Again, here's a survey. Right here it says there's no surveys available because they're under your surveys. But if I go to the home page, they're all right there. So that's pretty much what it comes down to. Other things you can pay attention to, to make sure you complete your profile. That way, your profile is going to help you get more surveys that are catered to what you do. That way, your disqualification goes down. I think another thing people just forget to do is simply complete your profile. You should never just sign up for a site and just immediately go to taking surveys. You want to complete your profile. That way they know what kind of surveys to send you because they're sending stuff that appeals more to you and it's in line with your demographics and stuff like that. The likelihood of you disqualifying for the surveys really, diminishes. So just make sure you pay attention to that. Always complete your profile. But this is a fairly simple site to use. You can cash out at a minimum of $1. So I'm going to actually show you some of the things you can get when you want to redeem your rewards. Different gift cards you can get. They got Amazon, they got PayPal, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm just kind of scrolling down here, just showing you what you can do right here. Let me let it finish loading completely. So right here, Amazon gift card, PayPal. You need a minimum of $10 to cash out on this site. Visa prepaid gift card as well. They got Walmart card, Tango. You can get a MasterCard. eBay gift card, things like that. So I mean, just kind of look and see that there's something definitely here for you. They have lots of different options, and I like when sites have multiple options like this because people want different things. You know what I'm saying? Like you don't have to, you don't want to just be stuck with, okay, I can only get this gift card, I can only get Amazon, things like that. So just having a good variety of things you can choose from is always helpful. So like I said, it's a minimum of $10, but like I showed you with those offer walls, a lot of those are just, click and engage in the site for like, 2 or 3 minutes. You can make 50 cents just doing all of those, at least 50 cents, doing all of those every single day. You know what I'm saying? So you should make $15 a month just in doing that. That's not even including the surveys. But obviously, if take surveys, you can make more money with it. So just be mindful of that. I just wanted to show you guys this, how to make money with CinchBucks, a really good site to use. Like I said, I haven't been using it that long, but I wanted to bring it to your attention because I had been paid by it before, so I know it's legit. I'm on my way to my second cash out, so I will leave the link to this site in the description. If you're interested, please sign up. It's completely free, no money, no personal information needs to be taken from you in order to get started with this site. If you're interested in making even more money, visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you're interested in making $150 every single day, I can show you how to do that. All you have to do is book a session with me. It's a one-on-one session. I'll show you all the simple steps you need to do in order to make that kind of money. I have taught so many people this before, and all the people that I'm teaching, I'm continuing to, guide them along the way. If they have questions, they can feel free to reach out to me. So book a session. I will leave the link to book a session in the description so that way you can get started with that and start making some real money. But again, sign up for this site, CinchBucks. The link to it is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.